We are aggrieved, and we are saying there is injustice meted towards the people of Tharaka Nithi, which injustice must be addressed.
So we are calling upon the Kenya National Bureau of Statistics to start taking their job seriously, because census is a serious thing. It will be used for resource allocation in this country, and the president even ordered immediately and directed all ministries to start using that census result to plan for this country. And at the back of my mind, I even fear to think that these census results across the country might have been manipulated to favor politics, and especially politics of BBI.
Ohoro wa gutara andu wala report ile hea nito ya kuati ithio twikido 600 ithi report yo nitwaregana na utondu utigitwika atinyanda gutira ciarano guku tiri thina ucio munene wa wonyi wa njohi andu aguku ni maraciarana mukurikana tugithie kuhingura thibitari engineer ciana ici ihurite maremara mothe mari ku na utigitwika ati twira andu 350 aria maregistered ni voters ati mundu registered voter ena mundu ungi umwe tu muci kogo ni kuonania gukutikira andu no voters ya thina na mundu ungi mutigirwo mucinde gutikiko kuri society hano guo kogo he kindu gitaraigwikana gitarathi wega.
Ni ndauga ritiraingirana no nginya tuheo gitumi kiria kingituma twitikire utarani ucio na no twende kwambiririe na ihenya muno. DCI mundu wetagwo EACC na andu metagwo Director of Public meharirie guthitanga andu.
2009, 10 years ago, walituweka pia namba 5. Wamesema sisi tumeongeza governor watu 1300 peke yake. Unajua huko Waluya sisi tunazaana kweli. Sasa pia mimi nina shida kidogo. Na kwanza nimesema kesho nitakuwa county Bungoma. Nikishaangalia hiyo report vizuri, nitatoa statement kama governor wa jimbo la Bungoma.